Okay, fuck faces and fuck faceheads, this Kyle, some other neighbor. They're all here to fix my TV. You see this? Vizio? It's a smart TV, y'all. It's stuck on the home screen. I'm powering it on. It comes on, everything looks good and shit. And we're gonna try to take it all the way apart and probably fix it. I don't know, but I have a kind of a new way to fix TVs. It fucking looks like this. Oh! Oh, what was that? My ass? Get that! Fix that TV! Fix that TV, guys! This is how we fix TVs around here. If y'all ever need your TV fixed, just holler at us, man. We will come to your house. To your houses. And we will come right in, make you feel like you paid for what you got done. Your TV will look like this. You see that shit? Did you see that shit? We'll fix it.
Too bad my phone. I was holding this. My phone went off halfway through.
Okay, well, I got the video. I'll send it to your phone. Y'all, seriously though. We are starting a company. It's called Fix Your Television.
Broke that off and hit my leg.
If you ever get to a smart screen like that, we got you, man. Just holler, man. You know, it's all you gotta do. Hit it again. Hit it.
Fuck that Vizio.
See that shit? That's what we think about Vizio. If that shit is not Samsung, we don't want that shit. Fucking eat it.
Yeah, you gotta get Samsung.
I'm gonna send that to Samsung too.